Here's some winter pickups and garments I've been wearing more often. I shot this in my friend's studio. Let me know if I should do more. I actually bought this piece a while back. It's an unlined Dickies jacket. I found it to be kind of plain, so I ended up doing paint splatter hand embroidery all over. The next piece is a Camiel Fortgens long sleeve. One of my favorite brands, MF Pen, made something similar a few seasons back. I sadly missed out on it, and this was a great alternative. It's an oversized fit with velour stripes. I also got this hat in the same package. It's a cashmere beanie from Lady White, and it's a collab. The ribbon shape sets itself apart. This is a piece I've had for a while, but I've been bringing it out in the colder months. It's a needles knit cardigan in a checker pattern. I think this is one of those styles that lasts forever, and it's super versatile because you can wear it with anything. These corduroy jeans are a recent pickup. Got them off Essence for half off. These are Rick Owens geth jeans. The interesting thing about this piece is it's corduroy, but it's slightly waxed. I'm not sure you can see it in this lighting, but close up there's an uneven surface that makes this a unique piece. And my final pickup is this Gap woven striped tee. For $20, it was a steal, and I think this style will stand the test of time.
No photos? Good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I miss Tokyo already.